Hello my people, in this video we will see how to see my friend's location on Snapchat. The first and the most important part, you go to search this in Google, specifically in AI mode. Next, you have 4 steps. Step 1. Use the Snap Map. The primary way to view location is via the Snap app. Open the map, launch Snapchat and tap the map icon, location pin, in the bottom left corner of the camera screen. Find your friends, scroll through your friends list at the bottom of the map or zoom in to find their Bitmoji on the app. Search directly. Tap the search icon, magnifying glass at the top of the map screen, and type your friend's name to jump directly to their current location. Step 2. Check within a chat. You can view a friend's status directly from your conversation with them. Open the chat screen and tap on your friend's profile icon or name to open their friendship profile. If they are sharing their location, a map preview will appear in the profile showing their real-time spot and recent activation. Step 3. Request the location. If a friend is not currently sharing the location, you can ask them for it. Go to their friendship profile by tapping their Bitmoji in a chat. Tap Request Location. They will receive a notification and can choose to accept or decline the request. Step 4. Advanced feature Snapchat Plus. If you have Snapchat Plus subscription, you can use Ghost Trails to see where friends have been in the past 24 hours, provided they have shared their location with you. And well, my people, that's all. If you liked the video and especially if it helped you, please leave a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Until next time.